Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Hopper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline in Facebook. Go open your Facebook app from your device. Go to your settings by clicking on the menu button at the bottom right or tap right of your phone. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on it to expand. Then click on Settings. Scroll down into Audience Visibility. And at the bottom, you'll see Active Status. Click there. Switch off, show when you're active. Keep in mind that you won't be able to see when other people are active, like your friends and contacts. If you're sure, press turn off. And that's it. Now you'll appear offline on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.